Hempfield Water Authority's water main replacement project will be starting soon on Church Street and will impact traffic flow patterns in and around the Landisville School campus. Hi, I'm Mike Bromerski, Hempfield School District Superintendent, and I'll be sharing how to get the latest information on navigating around this project in this edition of 2-Minute Talks. Hempfield Water Authority will be closing Church Street in Landisville from Main Street to Mumma Drive for scheduled water main replacement work. The project is expected to begin in early to mid-October and will impact how buses, students, parents, and staff enter and exit the administration building, high school, and the entire Landisville campus. PennDOT has set a detour route to be used during the duration of this project to move motorists between Main Street and Route 23 via Stony Battery Road. Hempfield School District is working on identifying more localized detour routes for buses, staff, parents, and student drivers to navigate their travel to and from the impacted schools on the Landisville campus. Hempfield School District will be providing specific instructions about routes and detours via our district website at hempfieldsd.org. I encourage you to check the homepage often for updates throughout the duration of the work. Changes to specific bus stops and routes will be communicated directly to those impacted by the changes by our transportation department. It is important to note, however, that this project will have a ripple effect on our transportation system and will likely impact other bus routes in the district in terms of potential delays due to traffic pattern changes. The Water Authority's project is estimated to last about 30 days. Drivers and families should expect delays and plan accordingly. We know these delays can be inconvenient and frustrating, and we ask for your patience. We are committed to monitoring the impact on travel to and from our schools, and as we get updates, we will do everything we can to keep you informed of any adjustments to routes that may be necessary throughout the project. Thank you in advance for your attention and cooperation in dealing with the inconveniences this work may bring. And thank you, as always, for joining me for this 2-Minute Talk.